Thank you for choosing the Therma-Tru single retractable screen door. This tutorial will demonstrate how to install the retractable screen door on a single in-swing entry door configuration. Before we begin, make sure your retractable screen door is the correct size to fit your opening. This chart can also be found in the instructions that came with your retractable screen door. You'll also need to identify your door's handing and swing. Because the screen door assembly mounts to the outside of the home, retractable screen doors are not recommended for outswing entry door units. For the project, you'll need safety glasses, a screw gun, a 3/32" drill bit, a number 2 drill bit driver or screwdriver, a tape measure, a caulk gun, and caulk. Therma-Tru recommends OSI Quad Max. And for doors less than 32 inches wide, you'll also need a hacksaw. Next, make sure you have all the parts that come with the kit. There should be screen housing, decorative housing, 2 tracks, a sill plate and extenders, and 4 1¼ housing screws. Your pack will also include a spare screw. The retractable screen door is designed to fit standard door openings between 32 inches and 36 inches wide. If your opening is less than 32 inches wide, you will need to cut the track to fit the door width. For example, if your door opening is 30 inches wide, subtract this width from the minimum standard width of 32 inches. This leaves a total of 2 inches to be cut from both the top and bottom tracks. Use your hacksaw to do this. Now we'll assemble the components. Begin by making sure the retractable screen housing is oriented to the hinge side of the door opening. Remove all tape and packaging material, except the foam blocks that prevent the screen from recoiling. If your opening falls within the standard range of 32 to 36 inches wide, insert one end of each track into the top and bottom end caps of the screen housing. Now, push the foam block up. With a notch toward the front, insert the track straight into the corner. Make sure the screen and slider bar end caps thread through the tracks and snap into place. If the opening is less than 32 inches wide and you've shortened the top and bottom tracks, then insert the original uncut ends of each track into the screen housing end cap. Slide the sill plate assembly onto the bottom track. Insert the ends of the top and bottom tracks into the decorative housing until they snap into place. If the top and bottom tracks have been shortened, then the cut ends of each track should be inserted into the decorative housing. You can remove the foam blocking from the screen side after both tracks have been inserted. Now we're ready to install the screen assembly. To do this, push the decorative housing and screen housing together so the width of the screen frame is at its narrowest. Place the screen assembly onto the door sill. Then extend the housing evenly to both sides until both flanges are snug to the edges of the brick mold or exterior trim. Mark and pre-drill holes for the 4 screws. Then, starting from the top down, insert the screws into the pre-drilled screw holes in the screen housing flange and decorative housing flange to hold the frame in place. Be sure to not over-tighten. Next, center the sill plate assembly onto the door sill. Then slide the sill plate extenders to each side to fill any gaps. For a tailored look, use a scissors to trim each sill plate extender to fit the profile of the door frame. Now lift the screen sill plate and apply a 4-inch bead of caulk on each end of the aluminum sill, and another 4-inch bead of caulk in the center of the aluminum sill. Be careful not to get any caulk on the sill plate extenders. Put the screen sill plate down and press to ensure it adheres. If there's any excess caulk visible, wipe it away. Pull the slider bar closed to ensure the latch and latch hook are properly aligned. The latch hook can be adjusted up or down with a screwdriver if needed. Make sure the handle lock assembly faces the inside of the home when installed. On the interior handle, you'll find a handle lock. This mechanism pivots to lock and unlock the handle. When the screen is pulled across the opening and the handle is in the locked position, the screen cannot be unlatched and opened. Your retractable screen door installation is now complete, so you can enjoy fresh air for years to come.